this, because see, don't compromise. For you, it can be gold. When you buy gold, what do you look in the gold? Purity. How do you look at the purity? Carat. So in case you get a very good jewelry for 16 carats, say for rupees 5 lakhs, how much will 22 carat cost? Maybe 10 lakh rupees. So don't go by a workstation, go by the quality. And good quality will only come when you spend more money, so don't compromise upon the equipment. Now this is an advanced equipment, and this equipment we can have a UV light on, or we can have different type of lights on. It's got a heated surface also. It's got a heated surface. So both the ways we can get two platforms here, we can heat them up. So can I charge that for andrology? We buy something around, it costs around 1 lakh rupees, Andrology one, and it doesn't have heated surface. Why? Because heated surface is always in need maintenance. But in case you buy that one, that is without heating. Iske andar the heating will be, now I've put on the heating, I'll put the heating is on. It'll start heating in some time. It's coming 20 degrees centigrade now, fine? The setting is 37. But when you buy a laminar airflow, chota wala, that doesn't need any heating, so we buy a heating plate. So keep IUI simple. Farak hai. Yahan par we are dealing with the embryos. So we need very advanced microscopes. I'll show you my other lab. But for andrology, it is non-heated platform, and for heating of samples, we can use a heating plate, which I showed you there. Done? Is it all clear? So now in case we take you for a visit, what all you need? You need a refrigerator. This is a refrigerator, and refrigerator, depending upon what size you buy, you need to pay for that. Buy 3x2 or 2.5. Don't buy minimum 3x2 or 4x2, and this should have an inbuilt screen. See now, when you buy this equipment, so this is your major Waterloo. When you buy this equipment, always buy the equipment with inbuilt screen. And in case possible, you should have one laptop kept side by side so that you can record your images. And now this is my, so this is, I can work here like this, see? And whatever I'm doing, it is got a double witnessing system, so that two people can watch what is happening here. So this is an important for us to buy. Now I'm at a very high magnification. I'm at what magnification now? Anyone? Blue. 40. So I have to come to, ideally I have to come to 20. 20 is always good for me, and with 20 I can see better images. So now as I've come to 20, I've lost the image. So thoda sa I do fine control, and I will just try to get my images in control again. So what I want to tell you is that we have to buy the one in which this is a double witnessing system. So it's a trinocular microscope. It's got, these are the objectives. And what I showed you, that we have to always have look at the light intensity. If I light bahut bada dunga na. Now these are colored sperms. Colored sperms are seen everywhere. But in case we have black and white sperms. Are sperms colored or black and white? Black and white. We don't have orange, green sperms. So they are transparent sperms. So transparent sperms with high coloration index